We are here today for restorative justice. We are here to determine the harm done to the victim and the community.
We train young people to be judges and attorneys. They learn more about the court and about the law, and they actually get to hear real juvenile court cases and keep those cases out of the formal court process.
Police caught Junior a few blocks away from the school, and he was later arrested.
Teens get a pure jury of people their age.
The consequences we give are like teen appropriate or age appropriate.
And yet you walked out with his keys, went to the parking lot, and found his car.
They give them things like community service, counseling.
I suggest 8 hours of community service.
And once they do that, then the case is closed out and they don't have to have that on their record at all.
Navigating factors are what makes this case more serious to the crime.
We hope to help them in the long run so they can avoid making a mistake again.
Teen court is important, especially for kids who are interested in having a career in the legal profession.
I get to, for one, help my community, especially my community in South Phoenix. I also want to become a lawyer. I was able to make so many connections with amazing judges and attorneys.
Juveniles are at high risk for victimization through property offenses.
Thinking about going to family court, because I would love to help families out.
When you see the shows like Law and Order, stuff like that, that's when really got me like, I want to be an attorney.
Without, I'll say, like courts, laws, the judicial department and stuff like that, I feel like without that, we wouldn't get the restorative justice that we get to our community.
The young people are the voice. They're the next leaders, judges, and attorneys. And so we have to mentor them and we have to help them to get where they need to be in the future.